船最前嗰個 view 係最靚，所以你睇下會唔會想中意前少少都可以坐翻前啲。
哇！靚人靚景 ，good model good view，very good 啊！慢慢入去，係啦。咁我哋而家見到啦，我哋慢慢而家駛入咧，大家見下左右啊 ，look around you guys. The sea water is very clean, right? It's very pretty. No, this is too dangerous. Yeah, this is too dangerous. But we'll see another sea calf and sea arch, and it's fine, okay? So we are because our captain, we are slowly and safely crossing to this Port Pinchao. It's very pretty, right? 哇！大家一定要望下左右啦，好大咧！我哋每次行山啊，其實都係喺上面望落嚟嘅啫。咁我哋而家竟然可以喺左右無限貼近呢一個破邊洲喎，係咪啊？真係好難得啦！認真真係好難得啦！無限接近，非常之靚。咁樣啦，我哋會見到咧呢啲咧破邊洲咧，其實最高啊，係甚至可以去到3米咁高嘅喎，係咪啊？哦 ，You are now our model, very beautiful。係啦，咁啊好靚啊，好靚。Yes, because now it's September. It's near to the Mid-Autumn Festival. So now the water is very clear. So I very suggest you guys to do the kayak and do the swimming and whatever, anything in the sea. 好，咁大家小心啲啊，要坐穩啊，知唔知啊？for the safety reason 啊 ，sit tight 啊，咁多位，慢慢接近啦。哇，你嘅船長嘅船技非常之好啊，令我哋可以慢慢咁貼近呢個地方啊。哇！真係好靚啊，超靚！咁等大家放心啊，我哋咧船長咧要佢嘅技術啊，我哋等一定會有機會啊，調翻小心啊，調翻轉頭啊，影翻啲靚相啊！有大家有冇去過東壩？有萬宜水庫係咪啊？呢度就係萬宜水庫啦。呢個就係萬宜水庫啦。Kind of is just saving the water. Yeah. Reservoir. 哇，非常之靚啦！哇，調翻個靚轉頭，係啦。哇！哇！無限接近啦，咁多位，記住攞相機啊！哇，好難得㗎，真係要技術好好㗎嗱，手唔好伸出去 ，no hand outside 啊 ，no hand outside 啊！哇 ，be careful 啊 ，be careful！ 哇！好勁啊，船長！哇！彎刀啊，似唔似啊？係咪啊？哇！對面有好多人喎 ，hello， 啊，聽到 hello， 聽到啦。咁我哋咧而家咧，哇！我哋成個鬼斧神工帶我哋穿越一啲好特別嘅地方咯喎，穿越關刀洞，快啲望下，哇！哇！大家左手同右手唔好伸出去啊，左右邊小心啲礁石啊！我哋淨係拎住個相機望住就可以啦。哇！真係無限貼近啦，非常厲害啊！哇，好厲害啊！勁啊！佢哋有可能會 disconnect 㗎，佢哋又真係勁啦，唉。OK， 你哋可以望下周圍㗎，會幫你拍住。係啦，嗱，大家可以望下啦，佢勁闊㗎呢一個 Sea Cave， 就係咁樣咧。呢個叫吊鐘洞啦，你會望到佢上面啦。嗱，我哋一齊抬頭望上去睇下，我哋會見到啊，哇！真係大自然嘅鬼斧神工啊！望到開始到一個咁特別形狀嘅嘢，係咪啊？我哋望下左右，係啦，哇！你會見到啲人開始爬上去啦，啲人就咁爬，唔會有人攞嗰條繩啊，嗰條繩呃人㗎。OK， 嗚！ 啊，非常之好啦。
人觀星又睇到宙斯啦，我哋香港啲漁民咧就睇到石咧就會改好多名嘅。咁佢除咗叫環洲角度，又叫小台灣啦。咁你會見到咧環洲嘅個柱石同頭先破邊洲嗰啲已經好。
哇！可以入到咁入啊！環洲角洞，唔知成哥會唔會穿啊？如果今日咁靜水，可能會穿。哇！哇！成哥可能諗住穿喎。成哥諗住穿啊？穿唔穿到啊？成哥話試下穿洞喎。
Okay, so here we arrived to Ong Kong, which the water actually worked through the caves and formed a sea tunnel, which actually went through the island. So, because like the tunnel is too narrow, so our boat can't go through it. But if you join our kayaking tour, then we can go through it. And if you look up, you'll see like the top of the tunnel is actually like a galaxy. It's really good.
Like a galaxy?
Yeah,
Oh, it's, you can see lights.
like the reflection from the lights. Yeah. I think they're doing snorkeling.
哇！哇！哇！Say hi. Maybe you say hi. Okay. Okay. 哇！靚啊！係啊！
嚟哇，係啦！我哋慢慢穿過嗰陣時咧，可以望下頭、望下左、望下右，呢個就叫吊鐘洞啦。哇！係啦，誒，
我想講呢個畫面搞笑。
大家咪影住晒你啊！OK， 係啦。
我們現在到了。
You can see that it has a columnist here, like really a while. Right around.
Maybe this side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 同埋可以留意下咧，仲記唔記得破邊洲嗰啲獨角船？啲直徑好大㗎喎，呢度就幼好多。喺香港先可以見到咁闊嘅 range 咯。其他國家通常就係、如果全部都係50cm 啦，就一個區域都係50，但我哋就乜都有。
係好震撼嘅，架船一路向前過，
知唔知啊？哇！你望下上面，哇！啊！哇！啊！你望下左右妹妹，靚唔靚啊？話呢度咧就係風琴壁啦，風琴壁咁啊，好靚㗎！但係咧最高咧要去到3米高，佢咪好淺色好特別啊！咁樣咧，大家可以望下左右嘅水先，係咪好清啊？嗱，我冇講大話㗎，真係好清㗎。咁啊，因為咧而家咧真係中秋水啊，中秋水嘅情況之下咧，就導致啲水咧特別清。啊，妹妹 say hi， 妹妹，啲我去睇，未食唔食得㗎，因為唔係貴當季。係啦，哇，妹妹好靚喎，你頭望左右，係啦，哇，非常之靚啊！我哋望下左右先，坐低啊，要坐低啊，危險啊！我哋望下左右，望下左右，係啦。 欣賞下啲景色。咁呢個咧就係咧我哋所謂嘅破邊洲啦。咁破邊洲你會見到啲六角柱石咧最高啦，甚至去到3米添㗎。我哋咪可以望下左右啲水係咪好清啊？你望下水又哇，非常之靚啊！咁清嘅水，因為而家呢啲係中秋水嚟㗎。呢個咧就叫風琴壁啦。咁佢呢一咧最高咧去到3米啊，咁所以非常之靚啊。咁樣咧感覺上咧就好似一個風琴咁樣啦。哇！咁跟住咧，大家都有好多影靚相嘅角度㗎。咁大家記住咧，等陣咧。見先 ，hello，hello，嗨。
就係喺上面炒咗機，咁咧成架機嘅35個成員咧都好不幸罹難啦。咁我哋上面咧其實有個類似個戶外再行山 tour，咁我哋亦都會帶你哋睇下嗰度嘅。
就1、2、3 ，hello。
Because like in the front here, this is actually a pile of limestone collapsed like a long time ago already. And you can see that the large ones, they are still remaining. So here is the case also have another name called the Guandao cave. Because it actually looks like the head of the weapon called Guandao, which was used.
見咧係好震撼嘅，架船一路向前過。
係啦，你又要預啱水漲，水漲會好啲，水退咧有石你又好難穿㗎啦。
你一定要水漲初15個鐘時間，水太淺就不行。
我哋而家到咗環州嘅環州角度。
It's famous for not something good, but something bad actually, for bad signal. So that's one time around 50 to 60 years ago. At that time, the president of USA, United States, his grandson, Mr. Roosevelt